Hello everyone, it's a very long time I made this video about steak. So today I'm going to show you a video about someone who referred my link, who actually used my link. So we're going to go and use steak. So let's go on steak. If you want to sign up with steak within 24 hours, you can actually use the link, drop a £50 into it, and you get a free share. So let go on free stocks. Needs a share, but it's a share, but it's also a stock. Go down, and then I'm gonna go and claim my stock. So it's like a spring. So you can spin for stock, or if you don't want free stock, but I do want free stock, so I'll click on the spin button. So it says stock in store. So simply the wheel to see what we win. So it's GoPro that I won. So congratulations, you won one share of GoPro, and you will receive it in the next free trading day. So that's all. So yeah. So if you do want to sign up, Jack might say claim. If you do want to sign up to stay, so my referral invite code is KieranW759, or there's a link below to my YouTube. It might be on a pinned comment. So yeah, so that's all the free share I got. So I'll just show you what I actually got. So if I go onto food portfolio table, kind of got the 2 unit. It's not showing yet, so today is Saturday, and it will be showing now later, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So there you go. Thank you for looking at my how do I get my free share from Olo Referral. So if you want to sign up, so it's 24 hours that you have to fund your account. But also, if you are funding your account, I will just make sure to tell you that if you want the cheapest way, if you just go and buying purchases, just click on regular to deposit, and then kind of there is an easier way to put the money in. It's not this, so I'll just go back. If you really want to put for £50, just go on to main account, just go fund and balance, add fund, okay, so it's down here. So if you click on or enter amounts, so if you go regular, so it should show you £50. So you just click amount. So you click on that, £50. So there's the FX fee and how much you receive, and you just click next. So that's all. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and if you really like this video, just put a thumb up, and also just subscribe to this video, and we'll do more financial videos and other videos with lifestyle videos as well. Thank you. Goodbye.